Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate a game object using Unity. In order to create a game object in Unity, go to GameObject, 3D object and select any one of these available game objects. Here, I'm selecting a cube. After creating a game object, in Unity, it is good to reset the transform of it by going to the Inspector tab. Under Transform, click on Reset. And I'm going to save the scene using the name Rotation of Game Objects. In order to make the game object rotate, we need to create and add a script component to it. Go to Add Component and New Script. Just type the script name. I'm going to name it Rotate Game Object and then click on Create and Add. This will create and attach a C# script to the game object. Now open the script using the monodevelop. Here in monodevelop, we'll just create a public variable float just to control the rotation speed. We are making it public just because we want to edit it outside the script. If you are not giving it as a public variable, we'll not be able to edit it in a GUI. Under the start function, we'll just have a text output debug.log just to indicate that the script has started to run. Here if you see, it is because I haven't put the semicolon, we are getting a small red colored error marker in the script. The moment I put the semicolon, it vanishes. Under the update function, I'm gonna call Transform.rotate. Under rotate, we can see a function which expects a vector 3. So I'm gonna type in vector3 dot down. I can even type up or left or right. All these functions have a predefined value under Unity. The moment I type the comma, you can see the other argument option is getting popped up, which is nothing but the speed at which the rotation is gonna happen. Here I'll be using the public variable which we have defined already. We'll multiply it by Time.deltaTime. This multiplication is must if you want to get the same rotation rate in all the devices. Let's just head back to the Unity window and see how our script performs. I'll just go and hit the play button. As you can see, the cube has started to rotate, but the rotation speed is very less. We can change this rotation speed by selecting the game object and then looking at the inspector window. We can see under the script we will have a public variable named rotation rate. This variable is the one which we have defined as a public variable in our C# script. Changing the value of this variable from 10 to 200 and we can visually see the difference in the speed at which the cube rotates. Here at the bottom left corner under the console, we can see the message that we have typed under the start function of our C# script. And that's how we can rotate a cube inside Unity. Leave a comment if any clarification is required. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.